In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize product pictures in Shopify. Whether you're polishing up your online store or just getting started, having the right image sizes can make a world of difference to your product pages. So let's dive right in and tackle this essential skills step by step. First things first, we need to navigate to your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify account and head over to the My Store section. This is your store's home and where all the magic happens. Once you're on your store's main dashboard, your next task is to locate the Products section. This is typically found on the left-hand side of your screen in the menu list. Go ahead and click on Products. This section lists all the products you've uploaded to your store, making it easy for you to manage and edit them. With the list of your products in view, let's proceed to find the specific product whose image you need to resize. For this tutorial, we'll look at an example product titled Example Shirt 2. Simply scroll through your products to find this title and click on it to open the product's full page. Remember that the process is identical no matter which product you choose. It's about creating consistency across your store for a polished look. Once your product page is open, look for the section that houses your product images. It should be quite straightforward and usually near the top of the product details page. Click on the image you would like to resize. Clicking on an image should pull up more detailed options for that particular image, enabling you to make changes and adjustments as needed. Now comes the key step, resizing your image. With the image open, find and click on the Resize option. This will open a new set of tools that allow you to adjust the dimensions of your image. As you consider new dimensions, remember that it's vital to maintain a consistent size across all your product images. This not only improves catalog appearance, but also enhances user experience by providing a visually harmonious page. And there you have it. We have successfully navigated through resizing an image for your Shopify store. Repeat these steps for any other product images that might need resizing. Remember, the goal is consistency in your store's appearance, making it more professional and appealing to potential buyers. I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying the process of managing your Shopify images. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more how-to tutorials to help optimize your online store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!